While Adobe Photoshop is a powerful and popular tool, it's not the only option for enhancing and transforming images. There are numerous user-friendly alternatives that can help you achieve stunning results. In this video, we'll show you how to edit a photo without Photoshop using an AI-powered image editor, PhotoWorks. The first step in editing a photo is to fix composition. To do this, switch to the Tools tab and pick Geometry. Check the Show Grid box so the lines will help you see and repair the defects. Move the Distortion slider to the left to get rid of the fisheye effect. Use the Rotation slider to align the horizon line. Check Constrain Crop to remove white areas from the image. When done, hit the Show Original button to compare the original photo with the fixed one. Another useful feature you can try is auto enhancement. With the help of AI, PhotoWorks detects lighting issues and makes the necessary adjustments. To improve the quality of your photo, switch to the Enhancement tab and click Auto Correction. Move the slider to adjust the level of enhancement. You can also click the setting icon on the right and pick other options for improvement. Then, check the result by clicking the Show Original button. Photos often contain unwanted objects that distract from the main subject. To remove such elements, switch to the Retouch tab and pick the Clone Stamp tool. Adjust the brush size and paint over the area you want to replace. The program will suggest the donor area. If the edges of some objects are still visible, simply rearrange the source area. Then, apply the changes. PhotoWorks has a built-in 3D LUT collection that can help you color correct your pictures in seconds. It's based on a table where all colors are numbered, which makes tone matching much easier. To try them out, go to the Tools tab and select 3D LUT Color Correction. There you'll see a collection of built-in LUTs. Choose a suitable option and adjust the amount. Then, hit Before/After to see the changes better. If you're satisfied with the result, click Apply. When editing portraits, it's essential to pay attention to details such as skin blemishes and imperfections. PhotoWorks has AI tools that let you deal with these details in a click. Move to the Retouch tab and click Portrait Magic. Simply pick one of the ready-made presets and apply it to your photo. Once you've finished editing, hit Before/After. Now you know how to Photoshop without Photoshop. Download PhotoWorks and enhance your photos in mere minutes.